Reading today. Very nice neighborhood in here. I want to thank Ronald and his wife for taking the time to see our windows and to see how energy efficient they are, because they hate their windows. It's old wooden windows. Very cold in the winter time, very leaky. Even the cats don't even like the windows anymore, and they keep hurting their fingers when they try to open them and they can't clean them. So they're very excited that they're replacing their windows, and I'm very excited because they became a prime property customers for us. They let me put the sign in front of their house in this beautiful neighborhood. So hopefully we'll get some more business out of the area. Enjoy the rest of the day, and I gave them a great discount, so they will make it affordable for them. They're gonna just do 3 windows, and we ended up doing more. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk later. Bye.